guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Priscilla Marie and welcome. And if you guys do know me, welcome back. And in this video, pretty much I'm just going to be, how can I say it, showing you guys my lookbook. It's been a couple of weeks since I have posted a video. I just been going through things, and I've also been kind of like enjoying my summer the best that I can, because I will be starting school soon, and I've kind of been procrastinating a lot. And yeah, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting a video, but I hope you guys can understand, and I just want to briefly make a note of that. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys 5 outfits that you could wear when you're going to amusement parks. Me and Jason love amusement parks. Like, we go to Playland, we go to Six Flags, and I guess we'll be going to Disney next year, so pretty much I could wear these outfits then, or there's not really a lot of amusement parks. Oh, lake compounds near me in Connecticut, duh. Yeah, so yeah, let me just stop blabbering around, but let's just get started. Okay, so for outfit number 1, I went to Playland. Obviously, I have a vlog for that. The little icon will be on the right corner of yourself. I don't know. Left hand corner, right hand corner. I don't know. I get confused. So pretty much, I just have a V-neck t-shirt from American Eagle. I love the blue color. It's like one of my favorites. I just wore midi shorts from American Eagle, and yeah, they pretty much seem to work out. And then I also got these Birkenstocks, I guess you could say, but they're not your like original Birkenstocks. They're like Steve Madden's. If you guys have seen my haul, you guys will know that I've gotten these at Marshall's actually, and they are just super comfy. I also have my Fanny Pack from Aldo. So for the next outfit, this is actually one of my favorites out of the all 5. This is more of like the riskier girl, like who likes to wear skirts and who's just a girly girl like me. Pretty much I was looking for more of a skirt, but I couldn't find any skirts, but they have been so in trend. But pretty much for the shirt, I just got this Friends shirt, and I love Friends. Thumbs up if you guys like Friends. Pretty much I got that from H&M, and then I got my Forever 21 skirt, and then I have my simple Converse, and then I go back in with my Fanny Pack again. So for outfit number 3, this outfit is for more of the colder days, when it's supposed to rain or if it's a little bit chilly. Pretty much I just paired it with the t-shirts and jeans. They're both from American Eagle, and I also have my Converse, my white Converse, of course, because they're comfy. And then I have my Fanny Pack because I said they're so easy. Sorry, you're gonna be seeing my Fanny Pack a lot. But yeah, so how cool is this shot also from Six Flags, the Superman ride? That is so freaking cool. I love that, the fact that you can see the riders and the reactions. And yeah, and I also got that sweater, a cardigan wrapped around me. I wish I wore it for the video, but I also got that from Aeropostale. So for outfit number 4, this is more of like your typical t-shirt and shorts type of thing again, but this is more of like a twist without my Fanny Pack, because obviously I've worn too many of them. So pretty much I just wore my book bag from Steve Madden. I got that at Marshall's actually, and then I have my t-shirt, which has like these lettuce sleeves on it, from Forever 21, and then I also have my shorts that are from Hollister. They are really comfy. I love them. And then I also got my shoes, my Converse, again for comfort, because come on now, we need that comfort when we're walking around, running to the roller coasters. But I also got my glasses from Guess. They're originally from Guess, but I actually bought them from Marshalls for way cheaper, and I love them because they have like these pearls around the lenses, and I think that's so cute and it adds a really girly touch. And it also matches with like the pink t-shirt, which I think is just so much fun to add. So for the next outfit, this is more of like you going to the water park. For me, this is just like such an easy slip on and slip off when like you're going to water parks. So pretty much I got this romper from H&M, and I just think that it's really cute. It adds like a girly taste with the yellow and the flowers. And then I also paired it up with my fanny pack because, like I said, fanny packs are just so easy for amusement parks. I'm sorry you guys keep looking at it, but yeah, you guys are probably gonna get sick of it because this is just my go-to bag for the summer. And then I go and pair it in with my Birkenstocks, and they are just comfy for water rides. You know, just slip on, slip off, don't have to worry about you know just like wet stinky shoes. So yeah, I just think this outfit was really helpful for the water park when we went to Six Flags again, because we have the season passes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy like the voiceover type of thing. I wanted to do it a little bit different. If you guys like the voiceover thing, just give it a big thumbs up, or yeah, or comment down below like you know you would rather just watch like a little montage video of just music, or just tell me your opinions on the video. Pretty much I just wanted to take a little spin on my lookbook. I just want to kind of inspired by Tess Christine and how like she goes by it, so I wanted to try it myself. But yeah, I love these 5 outfits. I have a season pass for Six Flags, and pretty much we will be going to Lake Compounds like I said, and we plan on going somewhere in Florida as well. But yeah, so I plan on wearing these outfits all summer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up as always, subscribe as always, and comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Wednesday.